Alright, Camilla, where are we at?
Where are we at?
We're in New York City. It is currently, what's today's date?
30th. December 30th.
December 30th. Tomorrow's New Year's Eve, so that's why we came here. So we're about to do New Year's Eve in New York City. So we just got off the airplane.
We didn't sit by each other, so it wasn't that great.
We didn't sit by each other. Alright, Camilla, did you like it?
I loved it.
That was fun. It was a lot of fun. Camilla, what are we doing?
We're getting our magnet. We get a magnet everywhere we go.
Which one's your favorite?
Huh?
Which one's your favorite?
Like this one?
Heading out to Times Square. About to see the ball drop. Gonna have to wait 7 hours to see it. She's way excited. Just kidding. It's gonna be dope. Craziness. Just got patted down. But we are here. Times Square just up ahead. About to watch the ball drop down. Camilla, what are you doing?
5 more hours.
Okay. Just heading back from Times Square. We're not going to tell you guys what happened because it's a little embarrassing. But Camilla's cold. It's super pretty. There's a shiz ton of cops here. What's your 2020 New Year's resolution? Put on the spot.
What's yours? What's yours?
My 2020 New Year's resolution is to have the best year that I've ever had and to travel the world
Mine's to keep traveling.
and to get back my ass back to the gym. But alright. Love you. Got a lot of cool stuff planned. Brooklyn Bridge, the Vessel, Oculus. Super, super excited. No, that's actually kind of funny. What's up, you guys? Last night in New York City. We're about to go check out this thing called the Vessel. So, about to get some B-roll shots in.
Tristan's pretty excited about it.
Stay tuned. Okay, wait, ready? Tired?
Off to the sun.
Heading to Hawaii. Alrighty, 6 a.m. in the morning, New York City. Heading out today. We're actually heading to Hawaii. Catch our vlog into Hawaii next. Literally going straight from the airport to Newark, straight from Newark to Hawaii. So check it out, guys. Yeah, we'll see you over there. I hope you guys liked it. Subscribe to the channel. Yeah, take it easy.